Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers. In this tutorial, you learn how to fix unable to connect to EA servers error in Battlefield 6. Start by checking the EA server status on their official help page or via reliable server trackers, as this issue often occurs during outages or maintenance. If the servers are fine, restart your network devices by unplugging your router and modem for about 2 minutes, then reconnect and relaunch the game. Next, clear your DNS by opening CMD as an administrator and running the commands ipconfig, release, ipconfig, flush DNS, ipconfig renew, netch and IP reset, and netch winsock reset, then restart your PC. If the problem persists, switch to a public DNS by opening Network Settings, right-clicking your connection, selecting Properties, double-clicking Internet Protocol version 4, and entering this and this as DNS servers. Finally, repair your game files using the EA's Apps Repair feature or Steam's Verify Integrity option, and clear the EA app cache by navigating to App Data, and then Local, Electronic Arts, then EA Desktop, then Cache. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.